years, creating high-quality video content felt like storming a fortress. Only those with massive budgets, complex equipment, and endless hours for editing could hope to compete. Early AI tools were clunky and robotic, offering little help to those with big ideas but limited resources. The creative world was hungry for a breakthrough, a way to unlock potential without breaking the bank or spending months in post-production. The frustration was real, and the barriers seemed insurmountable. But what if all that could change overnight? Enter Kling 3, this isn't just another software update, it's a complete paradigm shift in how we approach video creation. Imagine transforming your wildest visions into stunning, high-fidelity videos with unprecedented ease and speed. Kling 3 doesn't just make videos, it makes cinema accessible to everyone. The playing field is being leveled and the creative gates are swinging wide open. Suddenly, what once took teams of professionals and huge investments is now within reach for independent creators everywhere. 2026, Kling 3 is set to make independent creators truly unstoppable. This technology is more than just a tool, it's a revolution. With Kling 3, the barriers of budget, time, and technical skill are rapidly dissolving. Now anyone with a story to tell can produce content that rivals traditional productions. The creative landscape is about to explode with diversity and innovation, and those who understand Kling 3 early will have a significant edge. Today I'm giving you an exclusive in-depth look at Kling 3. We'll break down its most groundbreaking features from intuitive prompting to advanced neural rendering. You'll see how realistic scenes, dynamic camera movements, and lifelike animation come together to create cinematic magic. This isn't just about making videos, it's about making your creative visions a reality, faster and more beautifully than ever before. One of Kling 3's standout features is its intuitive prompting system. Instead of wrestling with complicated controls, you simply describe what you want. The AI interprets your vision and brings it to life, translating words into cinematic visuals. This means less time spent on technicalities and more time focusing on creativity. The process feels natural, almost like collaborating with a creative partner who understands your ideas instantly. Kling 3's neural rendering engine is a game changer. It analyzes your prompts and generates visuals that are not only accurate but also artistically compelling. The technology behind this feature ensures that every frame is rendered with cinematic quality, from lighting to texture. This advanced neural rendering bridges the gap between imagination and reality, making it possible to create scenes that were once only possible with big-budget production. With Kling 3, the realism of generated scenes is truly impressive. The AI understands context, perspective, and detail, allowing it to create environments that feel alive and immersive. Whether you're envisioning a bustling city street or a tranquil natural landscape, Kling 3 can render it with stunning accuracy. This realism opens up endless possibilities for storytelling and visual innovation. Another breakthrough is Kling 3's ability to generate dynamic camera movements. No longer are you limited to static shots or simple pans. The AI can simulate complex camera work, tracking shots, zooms, and even cinematic angles that add drama and energy to your videos. This feature brings a professional touch to every project, making your content feel polished and engaging. Kling 3 doesn't stop at static visuals. Its animation capabilities are remarkably lifelike, capturing subtle movements and expressions that bring characters and scenes to life. Whether it's the flutter of leaves or the nuanced gestures of a person, the AI ensures every detail is believable. This level of animation was once reserved for major studios, but now it's accessible to everyone. Let's walk through a live demo. Starting with a simple text prompt, watch as Kling 3 transforms it into a mind-blowing video. You'll see how the system interprets style, lighting, and composition, giving you precise control over every aspect. The process is fast, intuitive, and incredibly powerful, making it possible to iterate and refine your vision in real time. One of Kling 3's most impressive qualities is its fidelity and consistency. Every frame maintains a high standard of visual quality, ensuring your videos look professional from start to finish. The AI's ability to keep styles, colors, and lighting consistent means you can trust it with even the most ambitious projects. This reliability is a huge leap forward for creators who demand excellence. Speed is another area where Kling 3 excels. What once took days or weeks can now be accomplished in hours or even minutes. The exponential increase in speed doesn't come at the cost of quality. Instead, it allows creators to experiment, iterate, and produce more content than ever before. This rapid workflow is transforming the industry, making creativity more accessible and rewarding. Kling 3 is a game-changer for independent creators, YouTubers, and artists. By removing traditional barriers, it empowers more people to tell their stories and share their visions. The result is a more diverse and innovative creative landscape where unique voices can shine. With Kling 3, anyone can produce content that stands shoulder to shoulder with major productions. Understanding Kling 3 now gives you a real edge. As the technology continues to evolve, those who master it early will be at the forefront of the next creative wave. It's not just about making better videos, it's about making them faster, smarter, and with more impact. The future belongs to those who embrace these tools and push the boundaries of what's possible. As we look ahead, it's clear that the future of content creation is here, and it's exhilarating. Kling 3 is systematically dismantling the old barriers of budget, time, and technical skill. This means more diverse stories, more innovative visuals, and a creative explosion unlike anything we've seen before. The era of accessible, high-quality video is just beginning, and the possibilities are limitless. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts on AI filmmaking, and share it with fellow creators. Subscribe our channel for more cutting-edge AI content.